I'm Bill Guy, Chairman of Theta Gold Mines. I'm here today to talk to you about our TGME gold project. Our underground gold project is shovel ready. We're ready to build. We have fully permitted project for the first 3 mines. That gives us over 8 years of development ready to go. We've completed our feasibility studies. We're in the final processes of the funding stages for the project. We have strong project economics. We have a high-grade project. The reef system is between 10 and 14 grams. We're a low-cost producer in the bottom quartile of cost for Australian or South African mining company. The project's largely de-risked. We have a great ESG program. We have huge community support. They're direct owners of the project, and they've marched and signed letters of petition for us. They've actually gone to the provincial government in support of the mine. They call it their mine. So we're ready to go. So hope you enjoy our video. South Africa is the home of gold. It has a rich history of having produced about 40% of the world's gold. Our goldfield was South Africa's first declared gold rush in the 1870s. The ground has been held intact for over 130 years. Today's modern mining and metallurgical processes will enable us to find and extract and process gold from this sleeping giant. On this side, we can see the TGME tenement package. It's over 620 square kilometres with 43 historical mine sites within the project. The geography and topography allow for a single processing facility to service this entire goldfield, delivering strong cash flows that will fund future expansion organically. TGM is fully permitted and has received cornerstone funding support from the Industrial Development Corporation, a finance institution wholly owned by the South African government. On this side, we can see the underground mining footprint. The operations will include safe, modern, mechanized bulk mining processes, allowing for low-cost extraction of these high-grade reefs averaging around 14 grams. Fully blended and diluted over a mining width, they'll come down to 5.9 grams per tonne. The gentle dipping nature of the ore body allows for trackless mining equipment and on-reef development, so we're always making money and avoid significant development costs associated with spiral declines and shafts, etc. Now we can see the plant. The plant has already gone a decommissioning phase, so the old plant has been removed from the site. Construction activities underway at the gold plant with site clearances, etc. Pre-development activities are complete with decommissioning of the old plant site. Theta has a low capex project. We already have a tailings dam. We can see on the right hand side of the picture. So a sort of lab equipment and approximately 100 kilometers of existing underground development. So big savings with that capex. The plant is modular. So we call it plug and play. The plant components are built in the factory, inspected by engineers, broken down and trucked to site, saving us time and money. During Q3 2025, we will start the build process, including bulk earthworks Q3, civils Q4, and equipment delivery and installation Q1 and Q2. Civil services, plant installation, commissioning, and first gold are expected by Q1 2027. The project is underpinned by the latest technology and designed to meet sustainable processing. It has a very sophisticated water management system, a closed system which releases no processed water into the environment and also recycles all the water. So we have very little water consumption. Theta wants to achieve organic growth. The current plan is 45 kiloton plant. Takes us to about 110,000 ounces a year. Obviously, we want to get bigger than that. We want to get 160, 200,000 ounces a year. So beyond the current stage, the TGM project anticipates increasing production to 80 to 90 kilotons for the plant by the introduction of a secondary crusher, a sulfide circuit, 4 extra thickener tanks, and 2 extra mills, and a new CIL train. That will give the plant capacity to produce between 160 and 200,000 ounces a year. Theta Gold Mines believes in community engagement and empowerment of the workforce and sustainable operations. To meet its sustainability goals, Theta has supported the local school for 10 years, runs monthly community meetings, and sponsors higher education. The community has direct project ownership. Employees Trust owns 5% of the project, landowners own 8% each, and the Community Trust owns 8%. And we also have a black entrepreneur for 5%. Under Theta's environmental offset program, farmers, forestry, industry, tourism, miners will come together to improve the health of the local river system. By improving the hydrology of the basin, we will have more water for the environment and the farmers. In a few years, Theta will deliver more water to the environment than it takes.